What could this be? Or who could this be?
How was it?
Damn, these don't look good.
Serious right now? Are you serious?
No! Oh man, where did I step in right here? Just phew. That was bad. Ew. All muddy.
Chose a rainy day on purpose. Go rip this thing around. It's gonna be fun. All right, first let's see what it's at. It's at nothing. This thing was completely low. Doesn't even pick the PSI gauge up. I ran out, grabbed myself a charger for the GoPro. Got my wallet, ready to go. Nope, that didn't work. Yeah, I kind of wish it dinged, but it doesn't. Anyways, let's get moving. Oh, it's low. I'm just scraping that exhaust on nothing. I'm just dragging the exhaust. It's really low. These wheels are much smaller. Man, I'm glad the duct tape worked because there's actually a hole there. And it was leaking through, so I had to duct tape it up really quick for a temporary fix that became kind of permanent. So I really need to get a windshield for this thing. No, it's good. It's good. Yeah, I think I'm gonna open that window just a little. And yeah, my windows both work, believe it or not, on the S chassis. This nice little rag right here keeps it nice and dry. All right, first little rip. It has no grip. It does have the power. Oh, I love this thing. Yeah, it definitely has the power. Let's drive around a little. Hello?
Yeah.
What's up?
Where you at?
Just driving around.
Why did you grab me with you?
Oh, you want to come?
Of course.
All right, I'll come back.
Where are you going? How far?
Just drive around for like half an hour.
What, you just testing the car?
Yeah, pretty much.
Or just want to cruise?
Just cruise, yeah, testing the car on the streets a little bit.
Let's go.
Oh, okay, I'll come get you. All right, just picking a buddy up. It's creaky door. Yo, watch out for the exposed DC. All the wires are just exposed. The Jews will one day rule the world. Look at that little loop-de-loop.
I got 0.5 from this angle. Yo! I think I got it all on video. Oh yeah. That was like on edge, definitely. Edge in the pole. Wait.
Ooh, look at that little loop-de-loop. Kind of cars.
Yo!
Wait, we kind of went right on the.
I think I got it all.
You're good.
Wow! Yo! Watch out. Yo, you know, low-key, I might hop out and like tell you if it's clear or not, you know what I'm saying?
A little scary when you can't see up ahead.
Yeah. Bro forgot about these corners. Yeah, look at this, boy. Look at this. And then it straightens out.
Remember last time? Not in my county. Not in my county. He runs out, chases us down.
This dude on some like mom van pulls up. He's like, "Get the hell out! This is my road. This is my county. Not happening." David just in his AMG. Bro did not give a damn.
Can't really see behind the corner, so I'm not pushing it too hard. Uh-oh. The clutch felt a little soft right there, and I can hear. Oh, you good? Oh, dude. Land. Oh yeah, grab to the branch on the left. That's a tree. Yeah. The bigger one, the bigger one. Yep. It should be good. Oh, tough. Hey, it's for the shop, bro. I'm paying you a lot, I promise.
Who's getting paid?
Nobody's getting paid. Yes, sir. What the photographer wouldn't do for the shop.